I'm so excited. I look crazy right now, but welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a hair tutorial video, which I haven't done in a while, but it's gonna be featuring Cutie Pie Tresses. Curly. Oh my god, what a day. I've had a very long day because I recorded a YouTube video and it's so deleted, this very same one, so I had to do it again. But Cutie Pie Tresses is a new company that not only, sells hair products and things of that nature, but they also promote natural beauty, which goes in line with my values for my content creation, because I also create this content to inspire others to live beautifully as well. So I love the fact that this company also does the same. They reached out to me, wanted to do a collaboration, sent me these amazing clip-ins, so that I'm going to do a Sailor Moon bun inspired hair tutorial for you today. It's not exactly like Sailor Moon, so please don't go in the comments and start getting all crazy. It's just an inspiration for those buns, because I love Sailor Moon as a kid. Now, the hair comes in this really cute packaging here, and I love that I have a place to store my clip-ins when I'm finished taking them out. The hair is really, really soft, and I love the fact that it is 100% virgin human hair on top of all of that. So it matches your curly hair, and it's really, really soft as well. So I've already co-washed my bundle. I've already actually worn it one time to try it out, see how I could get it to blend with my hair. But the hair is really soft. It feels just like my real hair, which is so insane to me. And the curl pattern matches my hair as well. This is the 20-inch curly clip-in deluxe bundle, which comes with 10 clip-ins. If you get the standard, then it comes with 6 clip-ins. And they have a whole wide range of products on their website. So they offer a wide variety of unique natural options for you guys, so it matches every gal's style. So for me, I got the deluxe. I like to have an extra body. My hair is really, really thin and dense, and excuse me, oh my god, I'm drinking this tea right now and it's just the seeds. Anyway, so my hair is kind of thin and dense, so I decided to do a video that shows how to best install it in hair that is of my texture, very thin and very fine hair. So this is more like a protective style for me, but I love it. I have tried it in my natural hair without having anything braided up, and it works just fine. It's just my hair is so fine that it can't really hold the clip-ins in. It's nothing with the clip-ins themselves, because they're absolutely freaking amazing. It's just my hair sucks. So anyway, you can actually order yourself a set of these beautiful babies on their website, and all of that information is going to be linked in the description below, and you can use the code that's displayed on my screen right now to get some money off of these bad boys. And that's my phone. Please remember, you guys, to comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications, please, so that you don't miss another video, and like this video as well. So I'm going to start right now with the hairstyle. I already put my hair in the bun, in the ponytails for the bun. I have a piece of this section right here, if you can see, that's going to be the part that's going to cover all of my hair extensions, and I just braided 2 little braids and kind of put them in a bun, and put some, can't even think right now, and put some, put some bobby pins in it so that it is nice and secure down here, so that it can hold the hair for me. So we're gonna get started right now, and I am so excited, you guys. And again, all the information for this is going to be linked in the description below. Oh, and I almost forgot the goodie part. What's wrong with me today? I had a long day. So inside the bag, before we get started, one more thing, they give you some additional clips if you need to add some additional, clips in there somewhere, or if a clip comes loose or whatever the case may be, you got backup, you're good. They also give you little instructions on how you can connect with them on their website, on social media. They also give you another little thing here, it says attention please, and it just describes, how to properly care for your hair and what condition the hair comes in, because again, it is 100% virgin hair, so you can actually color this as well. And this is the instructions that come with it. It tells you how to wash your extensions, how to care for your extensions, how to reduce any potential shedding, because there is shedding with any hair, including your own hair, duh. But it will come with some extensions too. You can actually color your extensions, and it tells you how to do that. And if you have any issues and need to return the extensions for some reason, maybe you ordered the wrong curl pattern, or maybe you wanted the, you figure the Deluxe is too thick and you want to do it standard instead. It tells you how to do all of that in this little pamphlet right here. So I do love this. So without further ado, now we can get started on getting this video on the road. And they don't just sell clip-ins on their website either. You guys can order. They have ponytails. They also have wigs and all types of stuff to suit you. I just chose clip-ins because I wanted to try clip-ins, and I've never had my own set. I have wigs. I have ponytails. I was like, what do I not have? Clip-ins. So that is why I chose this product from their website. And of course I chose the 20-inch because it's a little bit longer than what my hair is, so it works perfectly for me. And even if your hair is as long as the extensions are, or the clip-ins, it works fine as well, because it'll just kind of add that volume to your hair. So the first thing I'm going to start with in the back part is going to be a 3-clip weft back here. And I usually just spray mine with a little teeny bit of water. And there's nothing in this water bottle but water. I usually have a little bit of oil in there for my natural hair, but because this is clip-ins, you don't want to add products every single day to your clip-ins like you would your natural hair, because although it is human hair, it's still not growing from your head. So you don't want to, do all that, stuff to it. But I just kind of add a little bit of water, and then I have some Frizz taming cream that I add a little bit to it. Sometimes a little bit of light oils. I know they did recommend that mousses and foams work a little bit better too, because it's lighter on the lighter side. But for me, I just kind of use what works, and I like creams because it helps my hair blend a little bit better with the clip-ins. So let's get started with this incredible look here. I will tell you a little tip that when I first got these extensions and I tried them, I could not figure out how to get it to blend with my curl pattern. And I was like, what is going on? And it's because I co-washed it, but I didn't comb the hair out so that the curls can actually curl the way they're supposed to. But they were still in the virgin state of being not touched. So I was like, oh, okay. So then once I actually added water and I curled it, oh my God. Once I added water to it and I combed it out, I brushed it out with a brush, a Dan Man brush. It actually made the texture more defined and more like my curls in my hair. Okay, so then I just literally do my little thin bun right here, because that's where it's gonna go around, and I literally just make this as tight as I can. I love these. They blend so good with my hair now that I figured out how to use them. All right. Looks like now with these beautiful buns. You can see in the back part how everything is completely covered with my hair, and you shouldn't be able to see any track. If you can, comment below so I know so I can fix it. Although this video will be over by then. But you can see the tracks start right here, and so then my hair, ooh, child, I almost pulled my earring out. Okay, so, and the hair covers it there. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna use these little, they're like, can't see them, but I'm gonna use these. So we're gonna go all around my buns, you know? The finished result. I do have more cuffs, but I'm just not gonna put that many in there. I mean, I have 3 more. I could stick them somewhere, but at the end of the day, how many cuffs do you need in your hair? So it looks great. Don't forget those edges, which I'm about to slay right now, boo. So total overall, I didn't use that many. I have 1, 2, so I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 out of 10 clip-ins. No, 5 out of 10 clip-ins. So I didn't use that many clip-ins, and then I'm gonna put them back in my little bag here so they can sleep well. Little clip-ins. And then we're gonna slay them edges, you guys, and you guys can get these clip-ins and try them yourself. All the information is linked in the description box below. And don't forget, there is money off for you guys that order with that coupon code. I also put it in the description box below as well. If you missed it on the screen earlier, it'll be down there in that box where you can go ahead and get yours right away. I will say shipping was pretty fast as well. That was another thing I was really pleased with, is the shipping part of it, because I didn't have to wait so long to get the clip-ins. So edges are slayed, you guys. So again, Cutie Pie Tresses. The link to these extensions are in the description box below. Again, these are the 20-inch deluxe package of clip-ins. Again, the deluxe comes with 10, standard comes with 6. You can get either one you guys want. So thank you all so much again for watching, and go click that link in the description below so that you guys can get your discount. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on those post notifications. And I'll see you all next time.